To allow your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra to monitor your volume level and listening pattern, you have to enable the volume monitor feature. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find digital well-being and parental controls. Tap digital well-being and parental controls. Scroll down the screen. Tap volume monitor. Here you can see a short explanation why this feature is needed to help you keep your ears safe. To continue, tap start to start activating the volume monitor feature and allow your phone to monitor your volume level and listening pattern while you are using headphone. Given to the function, this feature will help you to keep your ears safe by checking the volume of your headphone and how long you are listening. Next, your listening will be compared with recommendation from the World Health Organization and display it as daily and weekly stat so you can track your listening pattern and ensure you are within the safe range. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.